Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
I had to quit working due to the weather right now because I don't have no ride to keep going to work. So I recently just had to quit my job.
What?
Your Honor, will the court consider community service, please?
No, what? What did you say to me? You quit because of the what?
The weather right now, I haven't had no way to work, and it's the weather right now. I haven't been able to get there because my job is it's in Dearborn, and I don't stay near Dearborn, and I don't have no ride to get there. And
You
due
don't
to the
know how to
weather,
catch the bus?
I haven't. No, not really. I haven't thought about catching a bus.
You need a mentor. Somebody needs to talk to you. You quit your job because of the weather. Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Oliver. Case number SP161-53022. Mr. Oliver, good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please.
Antonio Oliver.
Sheriff Harris on behalf of Mr. Oliver.
All right. Purposes of arraignment on the show cause.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right. Yeah, and they're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give the client a $0 bond. Mr. Oliver, you are here because you did not pay. Where's Mr. Oliver?
I'm right here.
So why did you get so quiet?
Oh.
He's entered into the system wrong too. When are you gonna pay?
I'm sorry. I haven't been able to pay because I had stopped working, and I haven't really had no way to really have to pay it. I'm not currently working right now, so I'm really trying to, but it's really hard right now.
Why aren't you working?
I had to quit working due to the weather right now because I don't have no ride to keep going to work. So I recently just had to quit my job.
What?
Your Honor, will the court consider community service, please?
No, what? What did you say to me? You quit because of the what?
The weather right now, I haven't had no way to work, and it's the weather right now. I haven't been able to get there because my job is it's in Dearborn, and I don't stay near Dearborn, and I don't have no ride to get there. And due to the weather,
Catch the bus?
I haven't. No, not really. I haven't thought about catching a bus.
You need a mentor. Somebody needs to talk to you. You quit your job because of the weather.
Yes.
You know how that sounds?
I know, but I really
But
have.
what? But what? You sound
Mr.
crazy.
Oliver, do you have medical concerns that possibly the weather would affect you?
Yes, I recently been in the
You don't
hospital.
have to. You don't have to disclose it. I
okay.
just was trying to help.
Where are you now, sir?
I'm sorry. Say that again.
Where are you now?
I'm at home right now.
And that's your room, huh?
Yes.
He's got all these lights and stuff like that. I bet he's got all kind of gaming equipment. And do you have all that kind of stuff too?
Yes.
But he can't get to work because it's cold outside. And he's never caught the bus before.
In your Honor, I would ask if the court will extend a little grace to Mr. Oliver. There could be a variety of reasons as to why the weather could affect him. And in terms of him not ever catching the bus before, it is an experience that you have to kind of know what you're doing before you jump on a bus. So I would ask the court to extend him a little bit of grace. And if community service is an option, possibly he could.
That doesn't help him.
It doesn't help him? Okay, I try. Because if you don't know how to catch the bus, Your Honor, you just don't
And
know
you
how.
get out there and you catch it. They got bus schedules. They have all of that stuff. This is about, I've given him, this is not the first review he's had. Well, it is the first review, but the trial was on July 31st. Review 11/2/25. So this is not the first review he's had. And it was another review, 9/2/2025. This goes back months.
And Your Honor, I would ask for an opportunity to speak with him in a breakout room because
Please,
seemingly there may be more going on than what the court is aware of.
I don't think it's, well, I don't know, but I doubt it. But please do. He already indicated why he didn't pay. And we go speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room.
Okay.
He needs the farm program or something to help him out. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, did you have a good conversation with Ms. Harris?
Yes.
Do you understand where the court is coming from, sir?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Can't believe you've never caught the bus before. Is that what have you ever caught the bus before?
No.
Never in your life?
Never.
How did you get around?
Usually my mom would take me somewhere, or I had a bike rounding around.
Well, you're grown now, sir.
Yes.
What does your client want to do, Miss Harris?
Your Honor, I did explain to him that it would either be community service or he needed to be prepared to tell the court how long he needed to pay. So, Mr. Oliver, what is
Or
your
he can do
decision?
some jail time and close it up like that. That's always an option. I bet he'd rather ride the bus than go to jail. They don't have any video games in there. What do you want to do, Mr. Oliver?
I was hoping that I can do community service for it.
All right. All right. I need a good phone number from you, sir, please.
313-989-2195.
Is that your cell phone number?
No, that's my mother's.
Do you have a cell phone?
Yes, but it's not
Because you don't work, huh? At least your mom's not paying that bill. Well, you're gonna have to answer the calls and have her answer the calls she doesn't recognize. I'm gonna refer this to community service.
Yes, I'll let her know.
And I'm gonna give you the number to community service as well. That number is whenever you have an ink pen.
1 second. All right, I'm ready.
All right. 313-965-8130. Now, you shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But if you don't hear from them in a week or so, then you need to get back in touch with the court or call and start making some phone calls so we can get community service to contact you.
Okay.
12 hours of community.
Can you repeat that number for me?
313-965-8130.
Okay.
Now, do you have a high school diploma, sir?
No.
How far have you gone in high school?
I'm sorry, say that again.
How far have you gone in high school?
Oh wait, I graduated, my bad.
You do have a high school diploma?
Yes, I'm sorry.
What high school did you graduate from?
O'Reffer Academy High School.
You gotta do better, Mr. Oliver. You're grown now. And telling somebody you're quitting a job because it's cold outside is not gonna cut it.
I understand.
Hopefully you find somebody here at the community service that you can that can be a mentor from you, and you can make some relationships out of that and maybe get a job. But just because it's cold outside is not an excuse to not be working, all right?
Yes.
All right, come back on January the 5th. January the 5th at 8:25 a.m. If you don't hear from the community service coordinator before in about a week or so, give us a call or Zoom back in so we can get you in touch with them so you can get these hours complete. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Okay, you too.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.